bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
There's my little bunny, hunkered down in his house. Hi, Dolph. Good boy. Good boy in his house. Lindy, it's really coming down.
Like a bird on a tree,
Another 6 hours. I think they're calling for about 7
I'm just sitting here.
inches.
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Welcome to my channel, y'all. This is Susan from Susan's Road Less Traveled. I'm actually in my Jeep this afternoon, coming back home, getting off of work a bit early today just because of the storm and a lack of business, if you will. And so there wasn't anything going on, so I just asked if I could get off a bit early. So I'm getting ready to come up to my street up here, and this morning it was a wreck. So this highway that I'm on right here obviously looks really clear, but check this out. So this is my road. I'm gonna go into 4-wheel drive. This is what I came out in this morning in pitch black. The sun hadn't come up yet, and so we've got quite a little quite a bit of a mess. They haven't been down to clean it. Obviously we had somebody, I don't know whether these were residents or something, that came down and literally cut these trees down that fell to get them out of the way. But it was quite interesting coming out of here this morning. Oddly, in checking the South Carolina DOT page last night, you can see this tree coming up here. You know, all the main drags were clear, but the one red line indicating, you know, a bad road was this road on the map. In the entire county, this road was the one that was indicated in red that had a problem. And at first I thought it was just because there are a few streams that come down off the mountain over here off to my right that pass under the road. And so initially I thought maybe the warning was for, you know, black ice or just, you know, a road ice or something from the streams. And then of course when I came out and got onto the road and came across all of this, yikes, this is what I came out to in the dark. So interesting to be seeing this now in the light. The ice and the snow is mostly melted compared to what it was this morning. And I really thought DOT would be out here working on those trees, but I'm sure they've got a lot of other stuff going on. So hopefully the snow melt looks pretty much gone off of the trees. What we here in the southeast usually get is just a really heavy wet snow that weighs all the trees down, and that's why they snap. But it seems that so much of that has really melted. I'm gonna run my windshield wipers here. Some of that has really melted pretty well, I think, to eliminate, you know, having any more trees lost from just the heaviness of the snow. But my gosh, it really looked like a war zone this morning. Pretty little field over here. I've been wanting to bring my dogs down and let them run over in this big field, but I don't know who owns the property. So when you start getting back here into this area, there's a lot of, you know, no trespassing on property. People get a little wonky and weirded out if you're crossing their property lines. So anyway, let's see what my road looks like, because right now it looks like there's no snow on it. I'll stop and check my mail. Nothing in the mail for me. So here we go. And yeah, my road's cleared off. So this was all snow and ice this morning when I came out. It was very pretty. I didn't have my wits about me to record. Keep it in four-wheel drive a little bit just because it's wet. Sorry for the bounciness. I need to get a new dash dashboard phone holder. The other one broke, and I've got this thing rigged. So it looks like where it's still shady, we've got some coverage, but driveway looks like it's still got some snow. And every time I come up here and I can't see the bus sticking up, I get worried that the bus is gone, but there she is. My neighbors are out. Yeah, so quite a bit of snow melt today. But there's Alice. Oh, there's the car. And there's Alice. Safe and sound. I don't take her out when it's like this. No insurance to cover anything if major for what she's worth. Who's ready to go out? You ready to go out? You ready to go out? All right, let's go. Go. Come this way. Sam. Go down this way. Yeah, so we had gotten about 4 inches, I guess. Went up to about 40 today. So, hi Tov. Here, kitty kitty. Come here, hi. Sissy, come out here and go hurry up. Hi, Sam. Sissy, what you doing? And here's my pretty kitty. Hi, Tov. Hi, Tov. Come here, Kiki. Hi, Tov. Hi. What's going on, huh? Yeah, kitty. You ready for some lunch? You ready for lunch? They love each other. Tov had a nice little house over here that I had made him, and I didn't think that he was using it. And then yesterday I looked inside out the window up here. I peeked out the window and he was in here. So I added the little curtain for him.